Hey everybody, this is Phil. I've seen on a couple of users' computers a setting that was incorrect, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you to ensure that you guys aren't making the same mistake. So notice we've got a few voids on this scan, and normally when I go to refine the data, the voids will show up in whichever color you've selected. And that's how it should work. You should see the areas that are voids, and if it's important, you go back and scan over it again. So there's a setting in the preferences in ScanFlow and in version 3.1 called Enable Adaptive Hole Filling Color. This should be off. If it's turned on, and I go back and unrefine the data, okay, we've got our voids, re-refine the data with that feature turned on, and now magically those voids are gone. It looks like I have a perfect scan. I've scanned beautifully. Look at me. The reality is that feature will blend in the surrounding area of those voids to make it look like those voids are filled. So it will give you a false sense of security that you have a perfect scan when in actuality you have voids. So the only application I can see that you might want to use that feature is maybe if you want a perfect scan for a lecture, for a PowerPoint, for marketing purposes, or things like that. Otherwise, you want to make sure that that feature is turned off. And this is where that feature lives in version 3.1, right there. So make sure it is unchecked. Okay.